Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. Today I saw a rare Loram maintenance train, something I have never seen before. So I would like you guys to check out this video of the train in question, and could you tell me what exactly these rail cars are used for? And also, please excuse the fact that I start talking to myself when the train comes, because I was just so surprised and so excited to see this, plus the fact that it was a sunny day today. I mean, I couldn't take two exciting things like this happening together. So please watch and let me know what's going on. Thank you guys, and enjoy the video.
That. Never saw that before in my life.
Okay, so that was the Loram maintenance train. If any of you rail buffs out there and know exactly what those rail cars are used for, I would appreciate you describing it in the comment section below. Guys, rock on and peace!